Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. I also purchased the split cup that I'll be using today from Michaels as well. I believe I've used the split cup in the past. It's been a while, so I am happy to be using this split cup again. Look who decided to come join me today. My 10-year-old tabby cat, Leo. I am going to use primary colors, semi-primary colors. So that is primary blue, red, and yellow. Then I added a bright aqua green, and that's violet by Arteza. So I'm going to go ahead and layer my split cup. The base is going to be white and purple rings. I was going to do white and black, but I have a bunch of purple mixed up, so I am going to do white and purple rings for my base, then ribbon my split cup on top. I'm hoping to create some colors like orange and green. I'm going to let you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you again during the wet result. painting is definitely representing the mood that I am in right now. And that is a very sleepy one. It is later in the evening, so I am probably gonna lay it down after this painting. Well, after this video, I am going to edit this video and you guys will see it tomorrow, but I love the composition. I love how much depth is in this painting. It's giving very dreamy, sort of galaxy vibes. Definitely feeling the composition on this one. I was playing around with this split cup, those colors there. So I did have some green up there, but I had to tilt it off because there was a lot of paint on the canvas just because I had layered the 1 cup of the purple and white, and then I ended up adding more paint, which I really didn't need it, but it's okay. It's perfect now. Can't wait to see how it dries. Thank you for watching.